Star Wars sent over this mystery box to celebrate the premiere of their latest LEGO Star Wars miniseries, Rebuild the Galaxy: Pieces of the Past, premiering September 19th on Disney+. It came with this Servo Shackle box, which is one of my favorite droids, full of snacks like jelly beans, cookies, and gummies to enjoy during the premiere. They included this mystery card and this cool Rubik's Cube with some of our favorite Star Wars characters on them, and I can't wait to see Ahsoka in this. There's a fun sticker pack and the new Force Burner Snow Speeder LEGO set with new minifigs. So thank you so much to Star Wars and LEGO for sending this, and make sure to watch Rebuild the Galaxy: Pieces of the Past on September 19th only on Disney+. Let me know which character you're most excited to see in this series.